Welcome to this presentation on DevOps Essentials. Today we'll cover the fundamental concepts, tools, and best practices of DevOps, a methodology that combines software development and IT operations to speed up delivery and improve product quality. I'm Nirmal, and let's dive into how DevOps can revolutionize software development processes. DevOps is a set of practices and tools that bring together software development and IT operations teams, aiming to shorten the development lifecycle and deliver applications more efficiently. Why is DevOps important? It helps organizations deliver software faster, improves collaboration between teams, and ultimately enhances product quality by making it easier to detect and fix issues early. The DevOps lifecycle includes planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deploying, operating, and monitoring. It begins with setting project goals, followed by coding and building. Automated testing ensures quality, and passing tests lead to release preparations. Deployment puts the software into production, while operations manage performance. Monitoring gathers feedback for improvement. Together, these stages form a continuous cycle focused on efficient software delivery and refinement. There are four main principles of DevOps. First is collaboration and communication between teams to achieve shared goals. Second is automation and CI/CD, which reduce manual processes and increase efficiency. Third is continuous monitoring and feedback, where issues are identified and addressed in real time. And finally, customer-centric action focuses on responding swiftly to user feedback and prioritizing customer needs in development. DevOps differs significantly from traditional IT, where teams are often siloed, release cycles are slow, and processes are manual. In contrast, DevOps emphasizes cross-functional teamwork, automation, and rapid release cycles. For example, DevOps encourages automated testing and faster deployments, while traditional IT relies on manual processes that slow things down. Overall, DevOps enables much faster software delivery without sacrificing quality. Adopting DevOps offers several major benefits. First, there's faster time to market, as streamlined workflows lead to quicker releases. Second, improved quality through continuous testing and automated checks ensures the product is stable. Third, better collaboration is achieved by increasing transparency across teams. And lastly, DevOps provides enhanced scalability and security by integrating these considerations directly into the development process. Key DevOps practices include continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, which streamline code integration and frequent deployments to reduce errors. Infrastructure as code allows teams to define infrastructure in code, simplifying management. Configuration management automates environment setup for consistency. Automated testing ensures release quality, and monitoring and logging track performance and detect issues quickly. Together, these practices strengthen a DevOps approach. DevOps utilizes various tools to support its practices. For CI/CD, we have tools like Jenkins and GitLab, CI/CD. For infrastructure as code, Terraform and Ansible are commonly used. Monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana help track system health. Finally, collaboration tools like Slack and Jira keep teams connected and on track. These tools help automate, monitor, and improve DevOps processes, enabling teams to deliver faster and more reliably. Implementing DevOps comes with challenges. First, there's cultural resistance. Getting teams to adopt new processes can be difficult. Next, tool overload can happen, as there are so many options to choose from that it's challenging to find the best fit. Security concerns must also be managed, integrating security without slowing the pipeline. Lastly, there are scalability issues. Balancing performance and stability with rapid scaling can be tricky, especially as teams grow. DevOps and Agile often work hand in hand. Agile focuses on the development cycle with rapid iteration, while DevOps covers the entire application lifecycle, from development to deployment. Combining DevOps with Agile results in faster feedback loops, frequent releases, and better quality. This relationship allows organizations to be more flexible and responsive to change, delivering improvements to end users faster and more consistently. When adopting DevOps, there are some best practices to keep in mind. First, start small with a pilot project to understand the workflow. Embrace automation as much as possible to improve efficiency and reduce human error. Measure success using key performance indicators like deployment frequency, lead time, and mean time to recovery, or MTTR. Finally, focus on continuous improvement by refining processes based on regular feedback to achieve DevOps success. DevOps unites development and operations to deliver software faster and more efficiently. Through collaboration, automation, continuous monitoring, and customer-focused feedback, organizations can enhance development processes and deliver high-quality products. DevOps leads to improved productivity, faster delivery, and better customer satisfaction. I encourage you to view DevOps as a pathway to these benefits. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to answer any questions.